Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Twitter not working problem on Samsung Galaxy S26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library, so just swipe up. Now here's a click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. Now here scroll down and search Twitter app. So for example, this is Twitter app. So scroll down and click on storage. So if you want to fix Twitter not working problem, so click on clear cache. So after click on clear cache, your problem is solved. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix Twitter not working problem on Samsung Galaxy S26. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.